Jack Grealish, Aston Villa captain, completes Man City medical ahead of £100 million transfer. Before, this is Warrior Princess channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and open notification bell. Don't forget also to like the video. Thank you. Jack Grealish has a £100 million release clause in his contract. Grealish was torn about the decision to leave, but Villa feel they are probably 2 or 3 years away from where they would need to be in their project to convince him to stay. Jack Grealish has completed a medical at Manchester City ahead of his proposed £100 million transfer from Aston Villa. City submitted their offer on Friday and it activated a £100 million release clause in Grealish's Villa contract. The move would represent the biggest transfer in English football history, breaking the previous record held by Paul Pogba, who rejoined Manchester United for £93.25 million from Juventus in 2016. Former Aston Villa defender Stephen Warnock says he can understand why Jack Grealish would want to join Manchester City. Grealish, who was given an extended break after playing for England at Euro 2020, has been training with his Villa teammates in London all week and was once again with the group on Wednesday. Former Aston Villa midfielder Gareth Barry says he can empathize with Grealish. It has been very difficult for 25-year-old Grealish to decide if he wants to leave the club he has supported all his life and been a part of for 19 years. He was absolutely torn about the decision. Grealish's decision has been accepted by the management and players at Villa, who wish him well for the future and hold no bitterness over his departure. They hope the fans share that same understanding and that Grealish's legacy at the club will remain intact. A new British transfer record would be set if Man City signed Jack Grealish for £100 million. Villa feel they are probably 2 or 3 years away from where they would need to be in their project to convince Grealish to stay. But they feel his departure may actually end up accelerating that process. Villa did offer Grealish a new and improved contract earlier this summer, despite him signing a 5-year deal last September. Grealish is a Villa Academy graduate and has made over 200 appearances for the club, scoring 32 goals. Todd Cantwell started the move and then produced an audacious assist for Adam Ida to score for Norwich, as they beat Gillingham 5-0 in a pre-season friendly. Villa are expected to formalize their interest in Norwich City attacking midfielder Todd Cantwell once Grealish's move to City is finalized. As yet, there has been no official contact, but Norwich are aware of Villa's interest. With less than 2 weeks to go until the start of the season, Norwich do not want to lose Cantwell, and it would take a significant bid for them to even consider letting him go. Norwich have a good relationship with Villa after they negotiated the sale of Emiliano Buendia in June. Cantwell has entered the final year of his contract, and Norwich have the option to extend it by a further year. Aston Villa supporters have been hailing him for years, celebrating a special talent which had emerged from their youth ranks. It took some time for fans of other clubs to get on board, but Jack Grealish and his X-Factor has won over all the judges now. At Euro 2020, the sound of England supporters cheering his warm UPS and chanting his name, urging Gareth Southgate to throw him into the action, was the perfect illustration of that. He appeared for just 137 minutes at that tournament, but he was a major story throughout. His 2 assists and cameos off the bench were a tantalizing glimpse of what England had in the locker and drove the conversation about how they should attack. England fans persistently called for Grealish to play at the Euros. It is that enticing, exciting, game-changing potential which makes him such hot property. Inside Wembley this summer, the change in approach from opposition defenders when he came into the game was clear to see. They dropped deeper. They doubled up. Jack Grealish. Now he is Man City player. Thank you guys. Subscribe Warrior Princess channel to get latest transfer news and open notification bell. Don't forget to like the video. I love you all.